What's up everybody, and welcome back to Creating Creations. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I converted my Furibee F36 to use the typical 1-cell battery connector. I did this because I was tired of the very short lifespan of the 150 milliamp battery that it comes with, and I wanted to try out using my 600 milliamp batteries that I had. To complete this modification, first remove the original battery connector, then unscrew the circuit board. Then solder in the 1-cell battery connector, making sure that the positive is on positive and the negative is on negative. Now put a dab of hot glue between the two wires. This is just to make sure that they at no point in time cross over and make a short. Now screw the circuit panel back on. Next, I am going to be gluing on a small piece of foam onto the top of the circuit board because the batteries that I am using are too large for the original battery holder, and so I will be mounting them on the top. Now I'm going to tie together 2 rubber bands to hold the battery onto the top of the drain. I folded one of the rubber bands in half because it was too large. So as you can see, loop one side of the rubber band into the spot where the original shell used to go, and voila, it fits good. Then start your journey up and it should work just as normal. Please keep in mind that the extra weight on the top makes it a bit heavier, and so it handles a bit differently. Just kind of play around with this, and where the battery is located makes it work the best. You can see it's fine. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if it's your first time visiting. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.